Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever YouTube video. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. The reason why I wanted to do a YouTube video is I've been hearing a lot about all these different YouTubers or influencers, as they call themselves, that are making a killing at it. And I thought, hmm, maybe I should give it a try. But, one big but, I am not technologically inclined and I have no idea where to start. So I thought to myself, why not create a YouTube video? A YouTube channel that will actually challenge people like myself, because I'm sure that I'm not the only person that has no idea where to start. I've watched YouTube for years now, and I have an idea of what I would like to see from a channel like I am trying to create, but I just don't know how to go about it. So I thought to myself, why not create a challenge and ask people like myself who have no idea what to do, how to do it, but are willing to put in the work and and be able to actually have a successful or at least a good YouTube business or channel. So, are you guys willing to go on this journey with me? If so, subscribe below, leave a comment, and tell me where you are in your journey. And as you can see clearly, I am not 100% comfortable in front of the camera. It feels unnatural to me, but um, we'll make it work. And the other thing, the biggest part of this challenge is I have never done video production. So I don't even know how to edit. I'm going to learn and I'll take you on this journey with me. I've seen many YouTube gurus that talk about how to make money on YouTube, how to do this and the third, but I've never seen anybody actually make themselves a guinea pig from the beginning, like from zero, from scratch, like where I am, to see how they actually go about the nitty gritty, the small things that nobody tells you about. I'm going to try to do that in my videos. And if there are things that I obviously don't know how to do, I'm going to learn. And I would like us to do it together. So, thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. And let's learn together. As the channel says, enriching each other. So put your comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.